The power of self-image. Reprogramming your identity for millionaire status. The truth is, the mind, your mindset, the self-image that you have in your subconscious mind about who you are is like a thermostat. It has a setting and it's controlling the results you're getting in your life. You'll never outperform the self-image that you have, meaning the way that you view yourself inside your own mind. Self-image literally controls everything that you experience in life, including money. So, how many of you have declared 2025 to be your $1 million year? If so, it's not going to just happen. You're going to need to embody a new self-image, upgrade your identity to match the millionaire version of you. And let me tell you, it is possible. If I can do it, you can do it. If dozens of my clients can hit this status, so can you. And it doesn't matter what 2024 looked like. It doesn't matter what you've done in the past, where you've come from. Draw a line in the sand and declare it, decide it, and then become her, become the version of you that attracts the opportunities, the people, the resources, the clients, the money to have your first $1 million year. That is what this upcoming workshop is all about. It's a 3-day live virtual workshop where I step by step give you the path to upgrade your self-image. I'm Danielle Amos, and I'm known as the self-image queen. I have a quote that says, I wrote her and I became her, because I decided that I was becoming the first millionaire in my family, and I reprogrammed my subconscious mind. I redefined who I was to embody the millionaire version of me. And then I attracted the clients to match that, the opportunities to match that, the money to match that. And you can too. So join us for this free 3-day workshop. And as a bonus, you'll receive a 7-day millionaire embodiment challenge. So I'm going to give you the tools, give you the steps in the 3-day workshop. We'll complete that together. And then you have 7 days, every single day, a new challenge to embody this millionaire version of you. We'll get together after those 7 days and have a celebration call where you'll be asked to show up as your $1 million version of you. You'll be invited to join our community, the Millionaire Movement, where I've coached and mentored over 24 people to their first 6-figure month, their $1 million year. And like I said before, if they can, you can. There is a method. The success is a system, and it's 95% due to your mindset and 5% strategy. I'm going to show you both how to reprogram your mind and the steps, the action steps you can take that are in alignment with that new mindset so that you can attract opportunities to you to have your first $1 million year. So join us for the Power of Self-Image workshop happening next week, January 27th to 29th, followed by a 7-day millionaire embodiment challenge. All the details are in your email. It's free to register. Go to the link and share this workshop with others. Yes, 2025 is your $1 million year. Let's go.